That was one of the first times I've had idli for lunch here in Bidadi. Felt good. Nice scrumptious idli here in Bidadi Thatte Idli with benne. Well, welcome you all back to my channel once again. Hope you all doing fantastic. Good afternoon, and as you would have seen, we are on Mysore Road, Bidadi, after lunch with Thatte Idlis. We are off towards Koratagere right now through Shivanasamudara. So we're going to be taking a left ahead. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos. And also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. It was a cloudy day when we started. It's quite bright and sunny right now, but not very hot. Even though it's in summer, this is May, 18th of May to be precise, and the time right now is 1:30 in the afternoon. Very rarely do I start this late for a ride, but due to unavoidable circumstances, had to delay my ride. Some issues. But I finally decided to start rather than skip it. Better to do it than not do it. That's my funda. So we are right now in Madhur on the old Mysore Road. Quite a bit, quite warm right now. I think the temperature should be around 35. So we hope to reach our destination by around 4:30. This is the new elevated Mysore Road. Beautiful afternoon here, just past Malvalli, and heading towards the mountains, and you can already see the weather changing. So much more cooler around here with all the greenery around, the hills, the mountains, the forest area, the trees. And of course, the less pollution, hardly any vehicles around here. Overall, you get a wow kind of feel as we near to the banks of the river Kaveri. The time right now is 3 p.m. in the afternoon. And it already feels like evening with large clouds looming over our heads. Could rain anytime now. There's predictions of rain today afternoon. Well, there's nothing more beautiful than being in nature, amidst nature. Life is beautiful. Rains in Karnataka, beautiful here near Gaganchukki waterfalls. Ah, wow, beautiful monsoon rains here near Gaganachukki and Baruchukki falls on the banks of the river. Wow, wow, this is monsoons here in Karnataka as we head to Gaganachukki and Baruchukki falls, Enroute to Koratagere. ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಗಾಲ. So we are in the midst of this monsoon ride here near Gagan Chukki. Not much of fall, and we didn't stay for too long, and we're heading back as it's pouring like crazy. Check the view out, beautiful. Beautiful Kaveri river there at Baruchukki and Gaganchukki falls. I was on another bridge last time. Ooh. Long bridge it is. Such a big river Kaveri is. As it goes to Tamil Nadu, I've noticed it's much more wider, gets wider than here in Karnataka. This is ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಗಾಲ, and it's not raining that heavily, so much better. From here it's about 35 kilometers more to BR Hills and MM Hills. Long time back I'd come here to ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಗಾಲ. This was one of Veerappan's hideout areas. Somewhere around here only I think Rajkumar was kidnapped. Not sure if it was in Tamil Nadu. I think more towards Tamil Nadu, but in the same range of mountains. His hometown, Dr. Rajkumar's hometown, is around here. At least the weather is clearing up. It was quite a depressing thing to be riding in the rain for a long time, fully drenched and wet, but it's fun. Also, long time since I felt like that. Good to be connected with nature, live with nature, love nature, be with nature, see nature, enjoy nature. We come from earth and we go back to earth, so why stay away from it? This is the BRT Tiger Reserve forest. Beautiful Biligirirangana Betta, so big, similar to Bandipur and Madumalai. Been here a very long time back. MM Hills, BR Hills. Whoa, narrow road. Gotta be careful with the buses. So one thing in life, do what you love what you do, travel, enjoy life. Don't do the same thing over and over again, going out, drinking, partying. Do something different every time. Meet new people, go to new places, stay in nature. The world is so big, so much to see, so little time to do that. Take back all the memories you can, rather than collect a whole lot of things. Biligirirangana. That's the temple on top. Check out the view from the BR Hills here on top by the temple. I unfortunately didn't get my drone.
So after scrumptious and heavy breakfast here at BR Hills, at our homestay Rajathadri Hill homestay, we headed homewards. There was a heavy rainfall alert and we had to head home quickly as we didn't want to get stuck in the heavy rainfall, and we had a long way to go to reach home. Also, the wet roads was making things very slippery for us. So stay tuned as homeward journey begins. Enroute, we had a quick stop over at Shivanasamudara Falls. Check out the awesome drone views, and don't forget to follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet, and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet.
We're going back.
In Biligiri Falls. Thought we'd capture a quick drone shot of the river Kaveri as we were riding across the river. Hope you like the drone shot, and we are now crossing the bridge across Kaveri river, which goes straight into Biligiri Falls. Well, as we ride across Kaveri, I'm going to bid adieu to this vlog. Hope you enjoyed the entire ride through the rain into the mountains and forests of Biligirirangana Betta, the same range of Malaya Madeshwar Betta where Veerappan had his hideout. So that's about it for this vlog. Hope to catch you on the next one. See you around very soon, and hope you did like this vlog of mine. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Also, if you have any comments, do write on my comment section below, and don't forget to follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet, and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. That's about it. Thank you once again for watching. It's sayonara, adios, and it's goodbye from me, Djmahaneet.